Welcome back to the Healthy Cooking class. My name's Eileen. Today we're making roasted chicken thighs, confetti sweet potatoes, and roasted asparagus. This is a great and easy, quick dinner. It only takes, it takes less than half an hour altogether, and it's full of nutrients and great flavors. So let's get started. So I'm using the julienne feature on a grater. Now you could also, to create this dish I'm making, you could use just your regular box grater and grate the sweet potato. It would work out the same. The other thing we have is just a small piece of minced garlic. So I'm going to start with my asparagus, preparing it. And this has all been washed before. So I'm just going to break off the tough ends, okay? And we're going to put it on our plate and get it, or our pan, and get it ready for cooking. Just like that. And that's all set. And now I'm going to just work with my chicken a little bit because we want to trim any visible fat that we can. So there's a bit. We can't do it perfectly, but it's pretty good, the rest of it. So I'll get going on that. So I'm going to put that in a little bowl. You should always wash your hands in warm, soapy water after you handle raw meat or poultry. I'm going to add some garlic to the chicken. And just a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. So we're going to try and just coat that, the chicken in that. And we're going to put that on our plate, or our pan, sorry. Next, we're going to work on the sweet potatoes. Now, all we want to do with these is throw them in a bowl. Put a little bit of olive oil in with them. So just toss them in the olive oil. And then we're going to nestle them on top of our chicken. Just like that. Then we're going to drizzle our our asparagus with olive oil. Just a little bit, roll it around. Okay, so we're going to add a little pepper to our asparagus. And just a touch of salt too. And maybe a little salt on the chicken. And then we're going to pop it in the oven at 425, and it's going to cook for, you know, it depends on the size of your chicken thighs. I'm going to leave it in for 16 minutes though, okay? So it's almost ready, and what we're going to do when we take it out is just check the temperature of the chicken. Oh, it looks great though. Look at it. So let's just get our instant read thermometer, and okay, it's not done, so we're going back in for a few more minutes. Should be 165. So we put it in for a few more minutes, and now it's done. It's well above 165 now. Okay, so I'm going to plate this up and we'll see what our dinner looks like. Okay, so now we have a very colorful, nutritious meal. A little sweet potato, some chicken breasts or chicken thighs, roasted asparagus, and some nice fresh tomatoes. Enjoy! Enjoy, enjoy.